All right, so this is the beginning of the long division practice. I'm just going to show you how to do the first problem, and then you should do the other, I think, 4 problems on the page. And then there's just practice of adding polynomials and multiplying polynomials on the following page. So it's just a quick practice. But I want to make sure you know or you remember how to do long division from middle school or grade school. All right, so if I have to divide these two, this is 3,248 divided by 7. The first thing I do is I look at this first number right here and I say, does 7, this number, go into 3? And it doesn't, so I expand that to 32. Does 7 go into 32? It does. So then you ask yourself, how many times does 7 go into 32? Without going over, mind you. So 7 goes into 32 4 times, so I'm going to put it above the 2 in the 32. And then whatever I put up top there, I have to multiply by this number. So 4 times 7 is 28, and then I subtract these two. 32 minus 28 is 4, and then I have to bring down this 4 and bring down this 8. So now I start over. Once again, I'm going to look at this number, 44, and ask myself, does 7 go into 44? It does. So I ask myself, how many times? It goes in there 6 times without going over. And then I multiply 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. So I put the 42 here. And then I subtract these two. 42 minus 2 is 2. And then I bring down this 8. And then I do it one more time. And I say, how many times does 7 go into 28? It goes in there 4 times with no remainder. Right? So 28. Multiply 4 times 7, which is 28. And then subtract these two and you get 0. So there's no remainder. So the answer is 464. All right, so why don't you go into Schoology? It looks like this. Go ahead and do this practice here, and then you submit that for credit.